Alright you guys, so right now I'm going to be going against the grain with a 5 guard. Now to all my wavers out there cutting their own hair, it's safer to go against the grain than to go with the grain. It may look like I'm messing my waves up right now, but because I'm using a higher guard, like a 5 guard, instead of a 2 with the grain, it's not going to cut off that much. So by the end of this cut, my waves will be at a 3 guard with the grain. Now let me talk to you about the difference between cutting with the grain rather than cutting against the grain. Cutting with the grain is pretty much typical. All you're doing is cutting your hair down in the direction that you brush. As far as cutting around your crown area is somewhat dangerous if you don't pay attention. You could easily patch yourself by not paying attention going around your crown area. The best way to cut your crown area going with the grain is by using the corner of the blade going in the same direction that you brush your crown. But again, when you cut your own hair, I just don't think that with the grain is the safest cut possible. When it comes to cutting against the grain, I feel like this is the safest way to go, alright? All you have to do is worry about the guard not falling off. That's the only issue that you have when it comes to cutting against the grain. When cutting against the grain, all you have to do is go against your hair growth pattern. No matter which way you go, is just going against it, going with it, going against it, just trying to get it down to that length that you have on your clipper. So to all my wavers out there, do not be afraid of the against the grain haircut, even when it comes to your barber doing it. Just have your barber put on a higher guard. For example, I usually get a 2 with the grain, so against the grain would be like a 4 or a 5 guard. Just make sure whatever guard you're using with the grain, you go up 2 guard sizes against the grain. So when it comes to the top, I'm gonna take the middle part down to a 1.5 with the grain. By cutting this area lower helps me work on this fork that I have right here in the middle. It's always good to cut low when you wanna work on problem areas. YouTube, this is the cut, all natural, no enhancements. Listen, to all my waivers out there, this is the difference between with the grain cut versus against the grain cut. From now on, I'm only getting against the grain cuts. It makes everything pop. My definition, my crown is at an even length. I can tell because one side is not longer than the other. You know how it is when you go with the grain. You just can't get everything in that crown area. So against the grain is how you make sure everything is at the same length. Make sure you subscribe if you're new. Hit that like button. More videos to come.